Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to clear the maze room easily. This maze room has many different patterns and it can be different on every server, so if your maze looks a bit different, that's totally normal. And in this video I'm going to show you one specific route. This is the maze pattern where at the start the door is located in the middle like this. I have already made several maze tutorials with different routes before, so feel free to check the link in the descriptions for other maze patterns. And now just watch the path that I take right here. Just follow my movement carefully, turn by turn, exactly like this. Like this. Turn left, and then next just turn left again. Like this. And then next just turn left again. And on there just turn right, and then turn right again like this, and you will finally reach the candlelit path like this, which will guide you to the tweezer room. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.